was cooking there. Let that jump to the just because our attempt and 2 minutes. Now we had the speed, we had a battle back again. 4 more attempts or 5 more attempts, and I have to, we really need to go. Fuck! That jump to the, come on, again. And we are just going to sleep 6 hours right now, or less. Yeah. Make it every day like we are making. Every day. Every day for 2.5 years, and then talk with me, Mr. Dwinger. Didn't you need to be more time in here with us? No, this campaign was really not for me. Too many AKs, too many tricky tracks. At least we have a top 500 and something in the to make it. Come on. No, I have to work tomorrow. In about some hours, and tomorrow we will have a really long stream as we will make the discovery, so we are going to stream, Ninja. Okay, if you want, we can make a ride on you. Just say when you start, because this will be my last attempt. Fuck that wall bank. Fuck that pole. Happens again. Fuck. 6 minutes to end it. Come on. Not for me. I don't know if it's fucking true or not. Fuck, I go too much right. Come on. This is what was a clear PB, guys. Okay, one more try and we are off. Then we'll see who will be right. Don't forget, tomorrow we will make the discovery here on my usual time schedule at night, so all of you guys almost play the tracks, all the tracks. Time to go for it. Focus, Kimmy. Come on, we can do it. Okay. 2 attempts and we are off. Good attempt. Like we used to say, for me a day needs to be 48 hours. Do everything that I want. Come on, I'm making memes with the AKs right now. Come on. Just give me this. Come on, it's now. Look at this. No. Did it again? Oh, nice, Spacey. Okay. We do 3 more minutes and we are off. So. Fuck. No, we go against the pool. Come on. It was that run. Maybe it was not the top one game, but well, I think we could take point 1 there easily. Come on, I can do it. Well, even if we get it, it's now top 1K for me. Where's all the speed there? Why? Ah! I saw 3 times in a row that we make with a nice attempt, we make a meme there. Work, girlfriend, and streaming, and then talk with me. Make that for 2.5 years that I don't have time to make nothing. That's really hard, man. It's not. Come to me, top 1K with this time. Come on. Oh, Berserker, thank you for all the ride, but we are really ending, man. We were about to see you were streaming. Ninja was saying that you were going to stream for 15 to 24. It was good. 24 was the best track for me in this campaign. So goodbye campaign. Tomorrow we want hot, we want summer. Fuck. No, I have to go to work, man, and I'll just sleep 6 hours or 5, I don't know. So, and tomorrow it's a long stream because we are making the discovery, as always. I'm skilled issue? Yeah, of course I'm skilled issue. No fucking way. Okay, 3 more minutes and nothing more. Didn't go that much to the right. Come on. 3 minutes. Okay, I can do it. Last one. Will you really going to? Fuck, we jump sideways and we lose the PB. Fuck that. We were with so huge advantage from my PB. 3 minutes to end the stream and we will not have that open, okay? At least we tried.